Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration and beautiful room decoration. So if you like this video, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So I hope you will like this video. So how are you doing? So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this past video for picture, you can see the decoration. It is maybe in jungle. You can see the decoration all inside, outside, very beautiful decoration up also, very good. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see inside and outside, very beautiful up also. You can see at the sides also, you can see the window mirror and all. You can see looking very beautiful decoration, very good. You can see this also very beautiful. Down garage is there for car parking. You can park your car and up you can go sit with friends and all for enjoying. And the inside also very beautiful. So also very beautiful. You can see inside, you can go plaza there, very beautiful place. You can see this one, maybe it is in a hotel. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up you can see, and down also you can see the small plants and all the down floor, very beautiful. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the plants and all the decoration, and this very beautiful, very good decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the stairs going up and down, very beautiful. Middle and up, very beautiful, and up also it is good. And you can see this one also very beautiful. Fire, and for winter you can see it here, very beautiful place. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all small lights, very beautiful lights, looking very good, very attractive, very nice. You can see this also very beautiful. You can see the table chair and the flower, very beautiful flower, very good also. Small plants and all looking very good. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the umbrella and the outside view. You can see maybe the side swimming pool will be there, very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the up and down. You can see the floor, beautiful, and the decoration is very good, very good decoration they did for this one. This one is also very beautiful. You can see good decoration, good idea and all, beautiful decoration, looking very good and expensive and good also, very good. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families and all. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Wait for the next video.